Quick video of this very compact, foldable, packable hand truck. So this is extremely small. It folds up, very small, opens up like so. You have these tethers here, and you open it up like so. They're kind of like luggage, all right? And now you're ready to go. So I'll show you how this works. I'll throw a box on here. Oh, throw a box on, all right? And then what we have the ability to do is use these tethers, right? We can attach them here if we want. We can actually run them all the way down. It shows that you can run them down to the bottom. I'll run this one all the way down to the bottom here. So there's actually these little latches here. So, like so. And now you could basically walk this thing around, no problem. It also has casters on the front, which allows you to sort of spin this thing around. So really neat. I'll sort of show you how to pack it back up. So once you're done, take the box off. You put your foot on it, kind of bend it down, and then you just wrap this around a few times. 1, 2, 3. You know, you can get real fancy with it, or you could just sort of wrap it and attach it wherever it attaches. Put it back in the bag that it comes with, and you're done. We'll take a little bit of a closer look real quick. These are the casters. They're very hard plastic, but they're also a little rubbery so that they won't like scratch or dent anything. And these are sort of more rugged wheels. They sort of feel like, you know, rollerblade wheels kinda. But yeah, the casters on the front seem to be pretty high quality. You know, I don't really see any issue. It feels to be aluminum, so it's pretty lightweight, so you're not adding any additional weight. Yeah, pretty neat. That's the brand. And yeah, this seems to be very sturdy as well. I know suitcases that have the same setup, a lot of them, when you open them up, they have a lot of movement in them. This one's actually pretty sturdy. Not that I'm surprised, but I'm surprised. You know, really neat little gadget here. Very small and compact. Link down below, Mike, and I'm out.